असे एक instrument आहे. We call it a sine bar. Now this sine bar having on principle and types of the sine bar. So before starting this topic, it's a very simple topic but very important. Just see what is the sine bar, why it is required, what is the use of the sine. Vista. Vista दूंगा. The sine bar is a metal piece, solid metal piece having this type of arrangement. Like a main, it is highly precise finish असतं. Okay, this sine bar is made of stabilized chrome steel. Okay, stabilized chromium steel. और क्वेश्चन करना इतना है. The sine bars are made of which material? It is made of stabilized chrome steel, and you can see the picture. Bus is this stuff. It looks like bus, no? Bushy is no. The solid bar it is having a this type of arrangement, solid section. एक त्याका दोन roller असतात. These are the precision setting roller. हे जे roller आहे पण they having accurate diameter, and from this roller center to this roller center they have a standard distance. Based on this, listen up. Based on this center to center distance, the sine bar length is specified. Okay? Sine bar length is specified. Suppose the sine bar is made of 100 millimeter, 200 millimeter, or 300 millimeter. So the standard three sizes are available in the market. So 100 millimeter, 200 millimeter is it's a distance between the one center roller of to another center of the roller. But the roller is a circle base. From distance between the two center of the roller is based on this, the length of the sine bar is specified. Okay, how we are going to specify the length of the sine bar based on this. How this works, this is very important. I'll explain you. There are some relief holes are given here. Okay, what is the purpose of this hole? A hole to clamp a job. At the first break, the sine bar use sine bar mostly used for checking and measuring the taper angle. So for any taper angle we are checking with a bevel protector or by a protector. At some suppose certain at a taper component shaft asa तो exact angle measure we cannot measure it or we cannot set it. Then we have to go for this sine bar. So sine bar is an instrument is used to check or measure or set the angle. Correct? So angle measure करने हम फिर तीन instrument है. एक normal protector, then we have bevel protector, and third instrument is what? Sine bar. This you should know. Okay, sine bar is used to check the measure the angle or set the any required angle we can set. आता how एक block असा तो कसं measure करतो? This instrument work on the trigonometric ratio. But trigonometry so this instrument work on the trigonometry ratio. Trigonometry okay. So trigonometry ratio एक sine ratio उनका use करता है. By using that trigonometry ratio, we can find out the angle of the taper component and measure or set the any required angles by using of sine bar along with the slip gauges. The slip gauges kita use the accuracy of this instrument is 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah, 1 minute. Kitle? 1 minute. What is the accuracy of our bevel protector? 5 minutes. Very good. We can measure up to 5 minutes on the vernier bevel protector. But below that, up to 1 minute, we can measure by using a sine bar. So this much of accurate angle we can measure by using this instrument called sine bar. It is a very precise measuring instrument. By making such arrangement, we can find out the angle. आता such is parts is this is upper face and this is setting roller and lower face. So this is the length of the sine bar. पढ़ दूंगा. First one है sine bar. What is the use of sine bar? Material of sine bar, stabilized chrome steel. Okay, what is the purpose of the hole? To clamp the jaw. Accuracy of sine bar is on 1 minute. It works on the which principle? Sine ratio. Now, principle of sine bar how it works. So, types of sine bar we have. Sine bars are available in different design for a different application. The different types of sine bar. This is one arrangement is shown here. You can see here. कोई sine bar it is kept lifted, so inclined and on this face back plate angle plate surface, this component is kept here which is having a slanting face. कितली inclined आता slanting face तितलोच तेका thing दोला, and there on the top of this face they have kept two dial indicator. But dial indicator किया दोला ही because the component to measure करता है it has to be accurate. So वाकडा असपास मतलब 0 चे सेट करून झालं मार्क तसा हल्ला तर ते डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवता. For to check the deflection तो हल्ला काय ना we have they kept what dial indicator over there. तो plunger तक press करून दोला. Now we want to find out the angle of this component. म्हणजे this. आता तो जितलो inclined आपोय तो तितलो वयर येला पय कितलो वयर येला तितल्याच लेवला तिने स्लिप गेज लायला ते. Can see? हे दिसतंय ते पयला आर्यन. हो एक रोलर एक रोलर आपोय. Below the roller they kept certain what? This रोलर पे ते rectangle. हे दिसतंय? These are the slip gauges. आज सकाळी लागले बघा. एकमेकाचे ते धोला आणि त्यांचं height build केले. Okay. So by using these slip gauges, what we will get? Height immediately. Okay. We will get how much the height of angle कितलो वर येला. So this dimension we will get by using a slip gauges. कळलं मरे? This slip gauge is having a accurate dimension. The plus कृपया ये किती समझ 10 गायला ये 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 like you add it and the final height you can measure it 100 mm 10 mm 20 60 whatever that distance you should know. This is the one you should know. Then second element we can measure it is standard by using a length of the sine bar. Is a length of the sine bar is a standard no because we have a sine bar with a standard length 100 millimeter 200 millimeter 300 millimeter. So from this center to this center of the roller is that distance is standard. Asta maybe 200 100 300 300. So you have this hypotenuse like a hypotenuse. Okay, you have this length and you have this side. So basically this sine bar works on the principle. Sine bar basically works on the trigonometric principle, trigonometric ratio. Basically, when you get the jaw on the surface of the sine bar, it forms a slanting. So, the height over the height is very the height is maybe here they want to work center to center. Here you are the paper the opponent will get here. One dial here, one dial here. From this line, from this center distance. Okay. Fix from this to this. This is the what? Height, and this is the length of the side. This is the length of the side. The height of slip gauge. So here, first this where you go to see here, this is the one triangle. These are perfect triangle. So this is the length of the sine bar. And maybe you can say B. And this is the height of the slip gauge. You can say A. And this is the angle formed by using the trigonometric ratio. Sine ratio. What is the sine theta? So the length which is formed by this sine bar is become a hypotenuse side, and this is form opposite side. For right angle, you should know there are three sides. One is opposite adjacent and opposite. So in this case, this is the adjacent side. This is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. What do I have? Now, on the set, the sine theta is defined as a what is opposite side of hypotenuse. Opposite number, it is a opposite side. You can say A upon hypotenuse. It is B. Here B here. So basically, we can get a sine theta is equal to A over B if I is given. Understood? This principle is clear, everyone. Based on this principle, you can measure or you can find out the angle of the any taper component with the help of sine bar and slip gauge. But simple, it is very simple, but you need to calculate. Now, sine theta you can get from the log book, the value, or you can by using calculator, sine inverse के पास हो, and you can find out the angle. So sine inverse करके exact कितने degree आता है तुम्हें? Everyone clear this? If somebody has not understood, please raise your hand. Now here this sine bar is work on the sine ratio. Okay, trigonometry principle. So here you can see in your mobile. Okay, they kept one arrangement here. This is the one slip gauge and a small one they kept here. That is actual build of the height. You have to measure this height, and from here to here, you will get a length of the sine bar. That is any 100, 200, 300. It's standard. That forms the hypotenuse of your right angle triangle, and this from the opposite side of the right angle triangle. By using sine ratio, opposite upon hypotenuse, you will get this angle. Is this clear? Operational sine bar. There video is there. You can watch this video also. See, they lifted that Sine bar and capped on the slip gauges. Okay. This is a datum surface. Datum you can refer as a your surface plate or marking table. Okay, flat as per the. Then height gauge dolly, sine bar dollar. Now which taper component or any angle you want to measure set तो आडू मेजर वर देतो. Technically slanting हा तिथलाच तो वर येतो normally. This experiment you can practically do in your lab also. तुम्ही घासून समोर टाइम मिळाला साइन बार घ्या, you have slip gauges, dial caliper घ्या, set करा, cross check करा whether this angle is same or not. Okay, my actual drawing काढा and तो protractor measure. Is it coming same angle or not? Okay, you do it yourself. बराबर आ रहा है? Okay, assuring केला. Now what? This is a sine bar. Now this is a taper component here. त्याचा angle काढतो तुम्ही हळला था. This setting is very important. We should not have deflection. Maybe you are not set. तो कोणची पीस लावतो चेकिंग नो वर सकल जातो. We'll see this practical. Okay, and we draw that out. So this is a dial test indicator. From here to you have to pass it. Accordingly, the height you will get, and the length of the sine bar is same. By using a sine bar, you should use the sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. That h by l. I have maybe given a or b, and h and l could be measured accurately, and theta can be also opted accurately. The value of h is built up by the slip gauges, and the value of l is constant for the given sine bar. That is the length of the sine bar. So this is one arrangement you can see here. Below this is the slip gauges, and this is the sine bar is kept here on that marking table. And next Friday को नहीं जाने को मिलेगा. You have to go 6 o'clock. Now this, there is a stylus or that is a lever dial test indicator. They kept it here to check this surface, and it is kept on this sine bar over here. Then types of sine bar, we have type 1. Here there is no hole which is parallel to the datum from this surface. Usually 100, 300 and metric pass and 6 to 10 inch. Then type 2 sine bar, it is mostly common type of use which we are having in our lab. Okay. This is the type 2 type. Because then type 3 type, this we don't have actually. This sine bar in which the rollers are so arranged that their outer surface on the one side are level with the plane to the surface of the sine bar. Type 4, it is having hollow roller. It can be any design possible, but that form has to be same. Roller distance has to be standard, and there should be clamping array. So, is there any doubt on this sine bar topic?